Vivo iqoo 3 smartphone runs on Android V10Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.84 GHz, single-core, Cryo 585 plus 2.42 GHz, tri-core, Cryo 585 plus, Cryo 585 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. It has 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Vivo iqoo 3 smartphone has a Super AMOLED display. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and 409 pixels per inch pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 13MP front camera, and on the rear, there's an 48MP plus 13MP plus 5MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4410 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volta, and more. Vivo iqoo 3 price in India. Vivo iqoo 3 smartphone price in India is likely to be 35,990 rupees. Vivo iqoo 3 is rumored to be launched in the country on March 30, 2020, unofficial. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.